do it again. See if you can get a little more out of the phrasing that you want.
Okay.
It's really clear what you want.
Yeah.
I can see what you want.
Okay.
See if you can get a little more out of it. They did a little bit better. Here's what I'm getting at. The first time you did it, you did the same thing you did the second time, right? You pointed, you went down the middle of the ensemble, and you came back, you know? And it wasn't, I don't feel like they responded a whole lot.
Okay.
They did, you did it the second time, and I said, I want more, and they kind of paid more attention.
Okay.
But I don't think it's because you changed, I think you should have changed what you were doing.
Okay. Some more stuff.
Something, maybe.
Okay.
It's really directional, you know, and you don't see a whole lot of this. I don't, you know, this, but something more like this, out or up, like you were saying.
Okay.
Some kind of a little more expansiveness, out or up, rather than at you and back.
Okay.
Then, hold on, I'm not done yet. I'm not done with you yet. And then I would prefer a lot more contrast between the first two measures and the third measure. I mean, it goes from forte to piano. Boom, boom, change. I think you're a little, personally, I think you're a little too gentle on the beginning.
Okay.
You know, it just kind of looks like pleasant, pleasant, still pleasant, just softer. Yeah. Peter! Peter! Wallace. Oh, Walter. I said Wallace.
Still
Peter
getting.
just hit Walter.
Are there any other comments? Anybody wants to feedback? Okay, let's do it again. Angry. Now change. Okay, good. Good try on that end. Good, trying something different, and that's the right idea. You know what I like, Jake, about what you did? You did two things today that were very common sense that most people may not do because they're so focused on the mechanics of it. But you know, now I can't remember what the first one was. It was on the first excerpt, and golly, it was at the beginning of the first excerpt when everybody was kind of getting ready. And I can't remember what it was, but you did something very common sense, just, you know, waiting, making sure everybody's ready before you begin it. You know, a lot of people just go in, they're so focused on what they're doing that they just start, and there's two people that aren't even ready yet, you know? And that, the other common sense thing you did on this one was that on the syncopated part, the first two times you did it, you would point, you give a cue. Dun, 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 same thing both times. This last time, you didn't need to do that again, and you just acknowledged it. Right?
Right.
Very common sense. That's good. That means that you have a good, just well-rounded perspective on the group and everything. So that was really good. I appreciate those little things. I like the bigger contrast.
Okay.
Those first two bars. Something to be careful with as a group. Look back here if you don't mind, real quick. But this means what?
Quiet.
Quiet. This also you have to be careful when when instrumentalists are quiet. When instruments are quiet, they can also restrict their airflow, and that can also encourage a restricted airflow. So something, you know, I don't know. Just be careful. We have to be careful. If you do this and you hear weak sounds, then you're going to need to encourage it a little bit more while keeping it soft. Okay? Yeah, nice job. Nice job.